Hey all, in this video we are going to see about array. In, Hi all, in this video we are going to see about array. In general definition, an array is a collection of similar data types. For an example, you have to create two variables. In general, how will you initialize a equal 5 and b equal 10? By using array techniques, we can initialize this by the following. By using this array, we can make the code more efficient. Let us see the operations that are associated with the arrays. First, traverse. Traverse is a process of visiting each node in a tree data structure. And the second operation is insertion. An element can be inserted in any places. The third operation is deletion. The element can be deleted at any position of the array. And the last operation is search. The element can be searched in any part of the array.